Welcome to Caught in Chaos, the #1 place to find viral clips of chaos caught on Earth. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.
This driver had enough with his other trucker friends and decided to unlock his inner street racer.
He does have a stunt double for some season. I'm a woman. Let's go. I would never have a stunt double. I would have a stunt triple. I'm serious. I would only use a stunt double for a client because the last time I cried was 2032 report. Because the last time I cried was 2032 report. Stupid ass. Stupid ass. That's him. That's him. That's him. That ain't me. He stopped in front of me. What's wrong with you?
Right here in Northview.
Shit.
Uh-oh. Damn it, boy. Oh. He's getting out of the truck. Hold on, he's grabbing baseball bat, bro. Oh, he's writing his number, or license plate down. Dang it, boy.
This might be the dumbest driver I have ever witnessed on video. Watch as this idiot tries to split in between two cars to get through the intersection. Then Mr. Clean had the audacity to think it was the Toyota's fault.
You're about to get pulled over. That is hilarious. An idiot. That cop forgot they were a cop for a second. They threw up their hands like, what the heck are you doing?
Watch the white car closely. It seems like he had enough of the law and had to get to his baby mama quick. Subscribe for more chaos.
Dashcam, if you want to be a psychopath, I'll get your plate number 2. I didn't touch you, you crazy bitch. Go ahead. Go ahead, I've got you recorded. Good for you. I'll run you over. Get the out of the way.
Should know how to make
So I get it. I get it.
dumbass. Okay, the van's pulling straight out. God, my truck pulling straight out. What the
Yeah.
It's, man.
Which driver is right in this road raged face-off? The driver randomly brake checks the car behind him. Was he driving too close?
Why did you drive through the stop sign?
I stopped.
You did not stop. 3 seconds.
I stopped.
After I go, 3 seconds after.
I didn't stop here. What's the reason?
What are you doing?
You can do that ever again, you dumb You're a piece of
Dude, what the hell?
What happened?
He just threw trash in my truck.
Watch as this red truck tries to pull in front of the dashcam driver to cause an accident. He clearly wasn't aware of his surroundings as instant karma hit him, and a police car was waiting for him on the other side of the intersection.
God.
This homeless man started rage baiting this driver on the road.
This biker was riding when he saw a crash happen right in front of him. One car hit another, then took off without stopping. Instead of riding away, he followed the driver. He called 911 and stayed on the line while chasing them. He gave police live updates, streets, and directions. Because of that, officers were able to locate and stop the vehicle.
O kurwa, Romek, ale to się odjebał.
How you doing, sir?
Good. I think you know why I stopped you.
Yeah.
Did you at least try to stop?
Yeah, I slid right through it.
Alright, man. You got your driver's license? You're good. I saw you slide.
I appreciate it.
I have never seen instant karma like this guy on the road.
This girlfriend just got caught cheating and grabbed the wheel while the man was driving.
I'm sorry. That was up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was I'm sorry. I wasn't thinking. I'm sorry. Pull over. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That was really bad. That was really bad. I'm sorry. That was... What are you doing? Are you calling the cops on me?
Karen alert. A driver catches these two women fighting over the gas pump like it's the last burger left on Earth. What would you do if you saw this battle?
Waiting, and you just go right around. It was open because the person behind was getting done is gonna move up. That's the way it works here in America.
Should be his ass. What a f. Oh shit, that's not kicking his ass. What's your problem? You okay?
Wait, what, you chicken? What are you, what?
Hey,
you
get
want
on my
me to
car.
jump?
Hey! Hey! What the f was that? Huh? Oh!
I'm gonna give you time. Give it to him. Oh, God, no!
I'm a policeman.